Dalagan. 15 years old. Ako ang birthday ko August 2, hapit na June. Moto na ako kay kinakuan. If others can do, why can't I? Next. Ako si Marlene, running 16, sweet 16, this coming August 17. My motto in life is, wala man. Basta kana lang, seryoso sa pagsali mo na kumoto.
Hi, I'm Joy. My age is 15 and my birthday my birthday is next year April.
Ayaw, dali.
April 11 and my motto in life is it's better to meet someone rather than let them know.
Sweet, dali.
Hi.
Wala na. Sige, dali.
Kali ay maya